Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create manual payment in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard home. Here, go to Transactions section from the left side, and this is where you manage your payments, subscriptions, and all other transactions. Now look for the Create Payment icon. Click this icon to start creating a new payment. A menu will appear with several options. Select Manual Payment from the list. Next, you'll be given two choices: one-time payment and recurring payment. For this tutorial, choose one-time payment. Once selected, you'll need to fill out a few important details. Start by entering the payment amount. This is how much you want to charge your customer. After that, add the customer's information. Then move on to the description section. Next, add a statement descriptor, a short note that appears on the customer's bank statement. The next step is to enter the card details. Type in the customer's card number, expiration date, and CVC code carefully. Once all details are entered, take a moment to review everything. When you're confident everything is correct, click Submit Payment. Stripe will process the transaction and you'll see a confirmation message once it's completed successfully, and that's it. So that is how you can create manual payment in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.